Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025 top 10 winning tips to get the top result. This is the video give the details guide and tip for round one. Round one is most important because you should not make any mistake in CompXM because CompXM had only 4 rounds, right? So I show you now. So you started CompXM with 4 products here, and we can add 4 new products here, so that we can get double sale and double profit from round 2. But it's very important to check the industry condition report before you do anything. So again, before you do anything, you check the industry condition report, right? So you see that in the CompXM we have 4 segments, not 5, 4 segments only. So the thrift is a low cost, and then core, and then nano, and then elite with the price increasing. The thrift is the cheapest one, and then core, low price, medium price, nano, and then elite. And then each round we need to change the performance and size. Every round we need to change that here, the thrift and core and nano and elite, right? So you have table 2 here. I show you 1 or 2 minutes about this, and then you remember, you take note of this, and then you can do complete CompXM very easily. So every round we have 4 segments here, and then we increase performance and size here for 1, 2, 3, round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. But you remember to use table 3 and combine with table 2. So table 2 here combine with table 3 in hazard, because each round trip is okay, but core we need to update this one, this by the 0.4, nano 0.8, and elite 1.1. To make it simple, you can download and use the free Excel file to calculate that, right? See, so you see that table 2 here, and you need table 3 after update here. So this is very important, and remember, do not copy the number, because the number different from student to student. CompXM is different from student to student because they are exams, right? And you need to use industry condition report here from your game. On this number will be different, but remember, try to figure out the trip and the core and nano and elite, and then you can use Excel file to calculate that for 4 rounds easily. If you don't, you send me the question, I will guide you. So come back with the game, right? So if we have this the Excel file after calculation, you see, right? So you can input the number here. So trip here you update, and core you update, and nano to here, and elite here you use this row, right? And put it in and adjust a little bit to make sure the launching date here, and then you develop the 4 product here, trip, core, nano, elite. If you are not sure the tip here, you open the product analysis, right? And then you can see the order of the product is different here, this company, and then you know that trip here, and then core and nano and elite. The trip always has the lowest price, right? Lowest price here, and then core a little bit higher, and nano, and then elite the top products. And this order of the product is different from game to game. So remember, if you are not sure, you send me the question in email, WhatsApp. I can help you to make sure you understand that, and then you can do this to the other decision. Okay, so that's the very important start. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com to get the any question or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.